Okay, Gunjan, come here. So Gunjan, as you know that today our topic is antonym words. So I am going to ask you some antonym words and you will give the answer. So what will be the antonym word of secret?
Open.
Very good. And what will be the antonym word of boast?
Best.
Okay, very good. Now Abhas. So Abhas, you will tell me antonym word of kill.
Save.
What will be the antonym word of initial?
Final.
Very good. Now Karthik. Karthik, please tell me the antonym word of elegant.
Ideal.
Idle. And what will be the antonym word of expedite?
Delay.
Very good. Nakshita, come here, bete. Nakshita, please tell me the antonym word of difficult.
Easy.
Yes, easy. And what is the antonym word of begun?
And.
Very good. Go. Now Dishant. Dishant, come here. Dishant, you will tell me the antonym word of advance.
Retreat.
Very good. And what will be the antonym word of grand?
Ordinary.
Very good. Now Hitiksha, please come. Hitiksha, please tell me the antonym word of majority.
Minority.
Okay. Now tell me the antonym word of little.
Much.
Okay, very good. Now Arish. Arish, bete tell me the antonym word of young.
Old.
And what will be the antonym word of light?
Dark.
Very good. Now Kaushik. Kaushik, what is the antonym word of day?
Night.
Very good. And what is the antonym word of big?
Small.
Okay, very good. Now Ritika. Ritika, bete tell me the antonym word of remember.
Forget.
Very good. And what is the antonym word of bright?
Dark.
Okay, very good. Now Gauri. Gauri, bete tell me the antonym word of happy.
Sad.
Yes, sad is the antonym word of happy. And what will be the antonym word of high?
Low.
Okay, very good. Now Ansh. Ansh, bete you will tell me the antonym word of abhor.
Like.
And what will be the antonym word of make?
Destroy.
Very good. Pradyuman, come here. Pradyuman, what is the antonym word of novel?
Old.
And what will be the antonym word of unity?
Diversity.
Okay, very good. Vedita, bete come here. So Vedita, today our topic is antonym word. And I am going to ask you some antonym words and you will give the answer. So your first word is empty.
Full.
And what is the antonym word of beautiful?
Ugly.
Okay, very good. Ayush. Ayush, bete, what is the antonym word of above?
Below.
And what is the antonym word of difficult?
Easy.
Okay, good. Aditi. Aditi, bete, tell me the antonym word of fast.
Slow.
Slow. And what is the antonym word of old?
Young.
Very good. Asjad. Asjad, bete, tell me the antonym word of happy.
Sad.
And what is the antonym word of strong?
Weak.
Very good. Tasbia. Bete, what is the antonym word of early?
Late.
Late. And what is the antonym word of east?
West.
Okay, west. Now Raghu. Raghu, bete, tell me the antonym word of ask.
Tell.
And what is the antonym word of bad?
Good.
Very good, good. Rakshit. Rakshit, tell me the antonym word of always.
Never.
And what is the antonym word of cool?
Warm.
Very good. Bhabyanshu. Bhabyanshu, tell me the antonym word of hope.
Despair.
And what is the antonym word of include?
Exclude.
Exclude. Okay, very good. Now Duggu, tell me the antonym word of kill.
Save.
And what is the antonym word of junior?
Senior.
Okay, very good. So Humira, today our topic is antonym words. Are you ready? Okay. I am going to ask you some words and you will give the answer in antonym form. What will be the antonym word of junior?
Senior.
And what is the antonym word of loss?
Profit.
Very good, go. Now Aradhya, come here bete. Aradhya, you will tell me the antonym word of quick.
Slow.
Zigzag.
Straight.
Very good. Now Kashish. Kashish bete, what will be the antonym word of alive?
Dead.
And what is the antonym word of ancient?
Current.
Okay, very good. Current is the antonym word of ancient. Divya, come here bete. Divya, please tell me what is the antonym word of ask.
My answer is tell.
Okay. Now tell me what is the antonym word of low.
High.
Okay, very good. Go. Arushi. Arushi, please tell me the antonym word of gentle.
Rough.
And what will be the antonym word of friend?
Enemy.
Okay, very good. Now Piyush. Piyush, tell me the antonym word of admit.
Deny.
And what will be the antonym word of artificial?
Natural.
Okay, good. Go. Now Aryan. Aryan, what is the antonym word of before?
My answer is after.
Very good. Now what is the antonym word of bad?
Good.
Okay, good. Lakshit, come here. Lakshit, what is the antonym word of accept?
Reject.
And what will be the antonym word of attack?
Defense.
Very good. Now Rishabh. Rishabh, tell me the antonym word of active.
My answer is passive.
Very good. And now tell me the antonym word of angel.
My answer is devil.
Very good. Kaka. Kaka, what is the antonym word of black?
Bite.
Now once come here. Yes. Once tell me the antonym word of little.
Large.
And what will be the antonym word of possible?
Impossible.
Okay, very good. Okay, Divakar, come here. So Divakar, today our topic is antonym words, and I am going to ask you some words and you will give the answer in the antonym. So your first word is absent,
My answer is present.
and second word is begin.
My answer is end.
Okay, very good. Now Vasu, come here. What is the antonym word of kill?
My answer is save.
Very good. Save is the antonym word of kill. Now tell me what is the antonym word of kind?
Cruel.
Jao. Now Shiva. Shiva, now tell me the antonym word of false.
My answer is true.
And what will be the antonym word of cold?
My answer is hot.
Okay, go. Dipanshu. Dipanshu, you will tell me the antonym word of close.
My answer is open.
And what will be the antonym word of bottom?
My answer is top.
Okay, very good. Chahat. Chahat, come here, bete. Chahat, tell me the antonym word of after.
My answer is before.
Very good. And what will be the antonym word of stop?
My answer is go.
Very good. Now Yug. Yug, what will be the antonym word of strong?
My answer is big.
Okay, weak. And what will be the antonym word of boy?
My answer is girl.
Okay, go. Now Aryan. Aryan, what will be the antonym word of include?
My answer is exclude.
And the other word is for you, import.
My answer is export.
Okay. Okay, Priya, come here. So Priya, today our topic is antonym words. Are you ready for the competition? Yes, sir. Okay. Now tell me what is the antonym word of victory?
My answer is defeat.
Okay, very good. And what is the antonym word of timid?
My answer is bold.
Okay, good. Now Kanika. Kanika bete, you will tell me the antonym word of ugly.
My answer is beautiful.
Okay, good. And what is the antonym word of rational?
My answer is emotional.
Okay, very good. Now Shivi. Shivi, what is the antonym word of agree?
My answer is object.
Okay, good. And what is the antonym word of correct?
My answer is incorrect.
Okay. Now Damni. Damni bete, please tell me the antonym word of first.
My answer is last.
And what is the antonym word of hinder?
My answer is help.
Okay, good. Now Lavisha. Lavisha, what is the antonym word of ancient?
My answer is fresh.
Okay. Ishika. Ishika bete, please tell me the antonym word of blunt.
My answer is sharp.
And what is the antonym word of and?
My answer is origin.
Origin, very good. Okay, Shagun, come here bete. Shagun, what is the antonym word of hard?
My answer is soft.
And what will be the antonym word of bad?
My answer is good.
Okay, you can go. Now Tarun. Tarun, what is the antonym word of fast?
Slow.
And what will be the antonym word of difficult?
My answer is easy.
Okay, very good. Now Aksh. Aksh, what is the antonym word of advantage?
My answer is disadvantage.
And can you tell me the antonym word of ancient?
My answer is modern.
Okay, very good. Now Lucky. Lucky, please give me one antonym word for artificial.
My answer is natural.
And what will be the antonym word of brave?
My answer is fearful.
Okay, very good. Now Abhi. Abhi, what is the antonym word of sour?
My answer is sweet.
And what will be the antonym word of cunning?
My answer is simple.
Okay, very good. Now Divyanshu. Big.
Small.
And antonym word of young?
My answer is old.
Okay, very good. Now Ansh. Ansh, tell me the antonym word of for maximum.
My answer is minimum.
And for high?
Answer is low.
Okay. Low is the antonym word for high. Now Gaurav, please come. Gaurav, you will tell me the antonium word for deep.
My answer is shallow.
And what will be the antonium word for expand?
My answer is contract.
Okay, good.